What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. Today is June 23rd, 2024, local time 6:49 p.m. Sunday evening. I will be analyzing Spy for this coming week. The week is starting from tomorrow. If you do like the analysis, just make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account, and that's me. You can follow me here. I have been actively posting trades. MU is on my radar. I will discuss this later on. Let's start the analysis. First things first. What is my take for this week or for the coming days ahead? I still feel market is bullish, and we need to understand that we need to define a stop loss level and keep on trading on the long side. Do not short the market, uh, especially if you are a new trader. You can, if you know how to trade on smaller time frames, but the trades will be very quick. Like, you need to sit on the screen, otherwise do not short the market because trend is up on every single time frame. You can scalp if you know what scalping is quickly. Okay, other than that, you're not allowed, you're not supposed to uh, short the market. Now, what is currently happening? First, let me discuss that. If we need to trade SPY, how can we do it? So SPY is currently reacting from a demand zone which is right here. It's an okay demand zone. SPY doesn't make great structures because a lot of retailers are trading it, and that is why. So there is a demand zone here, and price is actually reacting from here. So let me turn on the drawing. So how can we trade this? You can put a stop loss level here. This is called this is something which is discussed in the course. I will discuss this level later on. It's a 4 hour demand zone, but why am I putting my stop loss here? That's the part of the course. We'll discuss the details about the course later on, but yeah, uh, I've kept my stop loss here. Okay, and 550, it's not holding. It should hold, then it will clear more picture for us. But right now, look at this, it's reacting from this demand zone. So if it breaks through, if the pending orders are done, then that this particular demand zone is done. So I'm just putting a stop loss here for a reason. We'll discuss that later on. If it breaks through and hits here, get out. If you're not fighting the market, we will get out. I'm not trading SPY, I'm trading stocks. Looking at SPY, I'm trading other stocks. This, I'm not trading options at all. This is how I will trade SPY. If I have to, I will get long here. If I have to, I'll buy stocks here, SPY stocks, and then put a stop loss here, and then let's see if we trade at current market price right here and put our stop loss here. Okay, are we getting 1 is to 2? Let me put this here. Now, where are we getting 1 is to 2? Somewhere here. Okay, 558. It's a possibility, it's not a big deal. Now, this is about current market price. But if I lower my levels to here, look at this. I'm getting 1 is to 3 now, almost 1 is to 3 now, but now my 1 is to 2 is way lower, somewhere around 554 ish. Okay, okay, 554-ish. Okay, so this is how this is the power of your risk management, which is again very very important. If you're, if you're into markets, people who trade professionally, they understand. If I'm putting $1, I need at least $2 out, minimum, and you get 1 is to 10, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 4, whatever, but one minimum requirement is 1 is to 2. So SPY is, if you're doing options, it's very quick, and you don't have to fight the market. If it's going down, just get out. Okay, this is how I will trade SPY if I have to. By the way, I'm not trading SPY right now, I am trading other stocks. I'm just analyzing SPY because I always make sure that I'm analyzing SPY so that I can get a better view, better picture of the market. Now I have opened QQQ here as well. So if you look here, it is also reacting from a demand zone. Not great, both demand zones are not great. They are good enough to give you 1 is to 2, but if they don't, just take the stop loss, get out from the trade. Do not fight the market. But right now, both of them are supporting each other, and there is something called tech sector which is also supporting the whole move. That is why you might see an up move tomorrow. Okay, you might see an up move tomorrow, not a big deal. uh, I'm not removing this line because price is yet to hold 550 levels. Now, let me show you what is happening with the momentum. So here, if you look, this is pi. So if you look here, uh, we have support system here. So whenever price is retracing, it's an opportunity for you to buy. So what I think is, we can we should, like, if it comes deep down in this box, it would be better for me. And if it stays deep down here from 544, if it opens lower, it would be a great buying opportunity, again with the stop loss level. But if it gaps up, you cannot do anything. Okay, you cannot do anything. But right now, because price, if you look at the RSI, okay, I know RSI very well, I'm telling you. And if you look at RSI, it's reacting from 78 levels, okay, but that doesn't mean it will fall. Whenever RSI will make new peaks, whenever you will see new momentum highs, you will see a retracement, or not retracement, sharp sell off. So chances of sell offs are possible. That is why I'm defining a stop loss level. Now, if I go, this is, I've clearly explained you that whenever you will see a new momentum peak in RSI, chances are you will see a sharp sell off. Look here. So this was a new momentum peak, but momentum peak was being defined from here as well. Let's go and back test. So this was the new momentum peak, but it never retraced. So I'm saying chances are you will see a pullback. It's not a guarantee. That is why, if it pulls back, you buy more. If it doesn't pull back, your stop loss level is not changing. Are you getting it? But everything is pointing out that you might see a retracement. That is why I'm just telling you, put a stop loss here and then go above it. Now, if you look at QQQ, look at the momentum here. It is actually reacting from 80 levels. Okay, so again, this is momentum. Okay, and whenever there is a confluence with price action and momentum, I go long. I don't really care. But right now there is no confluence, but it is coming down. But it doesn't matter. It's not a negative sign. It means that, for QQQ, if you look here, it means that this is a short term momentum peak. Okay, so it will come down, and this is very healthy. Like, if you don't see a bear divergence at the top, market is getting weaker. So this particular chart is showing me that, okay, it is getting weaker. But if I go on weekly, look at weekly. Weekly is like normal. I see nothing. But again and again, I'm telling you, I trade price action, not indicators. Indicators are not a part of me. Like my trading, like my trading, how I trade, my trading setup. So understand, chances are it might retrace back. Okay, that is why there's a stop loss level. But again, I am trading demands only. I'm not shorting it. There is no point shorting it, and I'm not doing that. But I'm only and only trading demands right now. Price action and RSI, whenever they are together, they are very powerful. Right now, price is reacting from demand zone of SPY, demand zone of QQQ, demand zone of tech sector. So you need to understand all three are very powerful. So you might see an up move. But just in case, if you don't see an up move, you need to understand where to stop. And I don't want you to enter at CMP, let it come down and then. But if you enter here, put a stop loss here, and 1:2 is minimum requirement for every single trade. And this is here, and if you lower here, it comes here. So 1:3 you will get. But prices actually started reacting from here, but that doesn't mean that it cannot come back here. I wanted to go deeper, then you will have better RR. Okay, and risk reward is the most important thing. And in the batch, which is coming on 15th of July, I have, designed the class in such a way, designed the whole batch in such a way that you can actually understand, everything. Now, the course, everybody's asking me questions. If you want to enroll, you can go ahead and email me. I've I've I did share my email here on X. I will do it again tomorrow. But yeah, there would be 15 sessions, 2 hour each. Language would be English. That's pretty much it. And minimum a session has always been of 2 hours, but again, it can go above two because there are case studies as well. Okay, and you will be getting a mentor as well. so that you will, if you do get stuck, you can discuss it with your mentor. Now, that's pretty much it. This is spy for you. I'm still bullish. The stop loss levels, even if it catches a stop here, it doesn't stop us from going up, because every pullback, okay, every pullback will take the price, should take the prices higher. But again, stop loss is for you to stop and get out of that particular trade if it's going against you. That's pretty much it. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok, and that's me here on X. And we'll discuss Tesla, and we'll also discuss MU, because MU has earnings, and I'm bullish on MU. All right. So take care and have a wonderful night. See you tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye bye.